Welcome to a new episode of Cooking with Spirit. Today I have raw scampi. If you think back 25-30 years, Damir, that is Damir and Danella, started with raw fish in Novigrad. I mean, the Japanese have been doing it for a long time, but here in our regions on the Adriatic, they just started with it. If we take this creature today, this is a scampi. The scampi is basically the little child of the lobster. It has these claws. And if you take the shrimp, or rather, the langoustines, then they are the same creatures, to put it simply, but without these pincers. And to eat them perfectly, you should eat them completely raw. But if you eat them completely raw, it is relatively difficult. To get the shell off the meat, by the way, these animals are from Kvarner, around the islands of Krk and Sresarum under Rijeka. There are the best lobsters and the best scampi. This little scampi is also from below. When you prepare it for eating, you first remove the head, then the tail, and then simply press in on the side of the shell. Sometimes it's easier, sometimes harder. You have to do it a few times, then it works. You might want to try with grilled ones first, then it becomes easier. So, now we have the scampi, or the piece of scampi. We place that on the plate. What comes next? A little salt. Yes, and everyone knows the capacity. Whatever it is, that's capacity, that's raw fish, raw scampi salt. The only thing still needed now is also from Istria below. We don't need olive oil with olive oil, of course. We don't save too much either. And basically the dish is now ready to eat. But we are cooking with spears and spirits. I would say we'll take today a grape with it. Fleur de Rancho is the most intense yellow muscat grape. Incidentally, it's a city perfume from us. And we now spray it generously over the dish. So, if we look at it now, incredible. Yellow Muscat, pure oranges, a hit. And if you take the slight acidity from the tomatoes, it goes well with the citrus again. Have fun recreating it. See you next time on Cooking with Spirit.